who heals us when we become sick, is respected, while a sweeper, someone who keep our surrounding clean so that we do not get sick, is not respected. It exists because we are in an era where the inequality in wealth is growing at an alarming pace. Having a high unemployment will be like adding fuel on the fire. And to represent this idea, I want to call on the stage class 6 student to come on the stage and present their act called Dignity of Labor. Please students, come on the stage and I request audience to welcome them with the thunder of claps.
Good evening everyone. Myself Ritsirat Kaur, student of 6th grade, is here to remind you about dignity of labor. All jobs are equally important and should be treated with respect. All jobs deserve equal respect and can be dignity regardless types of work. No work is big or small but has importance in our life. Labor is life and dignity of labor is philosophy of life. सम्मान करो हर काम का यारों, गर्व से कहो हम मजदूर हैं. हमारी राहें मुश्किल हैं पर साहस भी भरपूर है. दशरथ मांझी की मेहनत ने हम सबको यह सिखा दिया, हमारे अडिग विश्वास के आगे पर्वत भी चकनाचूर है. हमारे अडिग विश्वास के आगे पर्वत भी चकनाचूर है. थैंक यू.
झूठा जगरैन बसेरा, साचा दर्द मेरा. मृग तृष्णा सा मोह पिया, नाता मेरा तेरा.
काश मैं भी अपने बच्चे को स्कूल भेज पाता. काश मैं भी अपने बच्चे को ऐसी शिक्षा दे पाता, मुझे भी कोई समझ पाता.
नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे, नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं. नैना जो मिल के रात जागते थे, नैना शहर में पल के मीचते हैं यूं. जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम, मिलके चलेंगे हरदम. अब बांटते हैं ये गम. भीगे नैना जो खिड़कियों से झांकते थे, नैना घुटन में बंद हो गए हैं.
रुको रुको, मैं भी स्कूल चलूंगी, मुझे भी पढ़ना है.
चलो हटो यहाँ से.
पापा पापा, मुझे भी पढ़ना है.
मैं और भी मेहनत करूंगा अपने बच्चे के लिए.
हम जिगर पहाड़ कचीरे, जुर्रत की हम तस्वीरें. औलाद को मोम बना दे, सहरा का दिल दहला दे. हम जिगर पहाड़ कचीरे, जुर्रत की
जुनून हो सर पे तेरे और अंतर में हो विश्वास, फिर ठोकर और ठुकराने का होगा कहां तुम्हें एहसास। मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो, मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो। झुकना होगा दुनिया तुमको, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो। दुनिया बदली है जिसने भी पहले उसको इनकार मिला, दुनिया बदली है जिसने भी पहले उसको इनकार मिला। अपमानों का हार मिला और दानों का उपहार मिला। हर श्वास में अब विश्वास भरो और लहरों के विपरीत बहो। हाथों में विजय मशाल लिए विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो।
आज आयुषी ने यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में टॉप किया है। आज वो अपने और अपने माता पिता के कठिन परिश्रम से आईएएस बनी और देश सेवा में आगे बढ़ेगी।
मेरा सुपर हीरो ना हवा में उड़ता है ना विलेन से लड़ता है। दुनिया मेरे सुपर हीरो को नहीं जानती, पर मेरा सुपर हीरो ही मेरी दुनिया है। बस एक प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा सुपर हीरो मुझसे झूठ बोलता है कि उसके पास ढेर सारा पैसा है। वो झूठ बोलता है कि उसको भूख नहीं लगती। वो झूठ बोलता है कि उसको रोना नहीं आता। वो झूठ बोलता है कि वो कभी थकता नहीं है। पर वो यह सब मेरी खुशी के लिए करता है। I love my daddy, my superhero.
हमारा भी योगदान होता है देश को आगे बढ़ाने में, फिर भी क्यों हमें सम्मान नहीं दिया जाता?
मैं तो तज के इश्क सिखा, जब यार करे परवाह मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस जग मुझे।
पैरों में पायल और कानों में खनकती हैं बालियां। कार्यक्रम में मज़ा तब आता है जब बजती हैं आपकी तालियां, जब बजती हैं आपकी तालियां। With this, I want to call on the stage group. Without management and implementation, a thought will never become a reality. And the one who helped Rising Star School Udaipur in management and implementation is none other than our Vice Principal Manisha Saini ma'am. She is always being there to support and encourage us. She is always create positive and nurturing environment for the staff and the student. And your hard work and passion make our school a better place. With this, I request Vice Principal ma'am to come on the stage and share their valuable words.
Thank you, Miss Kavita. And good evening, one and all present over here. Respected special guest, honorable management, esteemed parents, and my dear students. It is my privilege to welcome you in Rising Star Senior Secondary School as second annual celebration 2024. Today, we gather here to honor the achievements, talents, and progress of our students. And I am thrilled to share this momentous occasion with you all. Firstly, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest for gracing us with your presence. Your support inspires us to strive for excellence. As we reflect on the past year, we acknowledge the challenges overcome, growth achieved, and memories created. Our students have demonstrated remarkable resilience, adaptability, and determination. Ladies and gentlemen, though the second year, I am proud to say that the school has accelerated to great horizons of success, and today seems as one of the tallest institutions of the city. It has become synonym with the academic excellence and benchmark to measure co-curricular excellence, and also center which creates responsible citizens. We are very grateful to our Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Sanjeev Suri. It's because of his valuable guidance, encouragement, and support with all this has been possible. From the humble beginning, we made it in 2019, having crossed many measurable milestones. Today, our school has become dream destination for many. I wish to begin celebrating our success by expressing my gratitude to our distinguished students. You are the shining stars of our school. Your hard work, your dedication, and outstanding performance today showcase your potential. The skills, friendship, and experience gained with the serve and the foundation for your future success. Continue to dream big, explore your passion, and chase your aspirations. Now, next, I would like to express my gratitude to our esteemed parents. Thank you for entrusting us with your children's education and well-being. Your active involvement has fostered a supportive community, nurturing their growth and potential. Next, but not the least, our incredible, talented teachers and staff. I salute your unwavering commitment, expertise, and compassion. Your tireless effort have made profound impact on our students' lives. As we celebrate today, let us look for the future in ever-changing world. We must cultivate curiosity and creativity, critical thinking and problem solving in our students, emotional intelligence and empathy, resilience and adaptability. Let us empower our students to become visionary leaders, innovative thinkers, and compassionate global citizens. In closing, I urge you to continue supporting your children's dreams, fostering their curiosity, and encouraging their passion. Together, as a vibrant community, let us create an environment where every child thrives. Thank you for joining us today. Let us now celebrate the achievement, talents, and the spirit of our students. Thank you, and good evening, everyone, once again.
Very well said, ma'am. Thank you for your enthusiastic words. I don't know why, suddenly, there is a one story striking in my mind, and I really want to share this story with you. तो होता ये कहानी शुरू इस तरह से होती है कि एक बार कैलाश पर्वत पर महादेव और माता पार्वती विश्राम कर रहे होते हैं। तभी देवलोक पर एक रक्तबीज नाम का राक्षस हमला करता है। फिर क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे माता पार्वती बहुत आक्रोश में आती हैं और वो कहती हैं कि महादेव, आपका ध्यान क्या अप्सराओं से ज़्यादा है, महत्वपूर्ण है। तब महादेव बहुत आराम से, कामनेस से माता पार्वती से कहते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों होता है कि जब भी स्त्री पर कोई संकट आता है तो वो पुरुष की सहायता के लिए चली आती है, अपनी रक्षा वो स्वयं क्यों नहीं करती। और महादेव आगे उनको मोटिवेट करते हुए कहते हैं कि नारी अगर शंका त्याग दे तो वो खुद शंकर बन जाती है। और कहते हैं माता पार्वती से कि तुम काली हो, तुम महाकाली हो, तुम अंत भी हो और तुम आरंभ भी हो। इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ I would like to call on the stage students who are going to perform mythological act to come on the stage and give their performance.
Om Kamli Kamlaya Nama. A very pleasant evening to one and all present over here. Today, me and my friends are going to perform an act and also show the powers of the four goddesses, particularly Ma Kali, Ma Saraswati, Ma Parvati and Ma Durga. So without further ado, let's begin this act.
विरिंचि पत्नी कमलासनस्थिता सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि मे सदा 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 सदा
सुंदरी माधवी चंद्र सहोदरी हेममयी मुनिगणवंदित मोक्ष प्रदायिनी मंजुळभाषिणी वेदनुते पंकजवासिनी देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी आदिलक्ष्मी जय पालय माम्
चामुंडे जय भूतापहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमस्तुते जय त्वं देवी चामुंडे जय भूतापहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमस्तुते जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वाहा नमस्तुते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः।
पराक्रमी आदि अनंत ये तीनों लोक मेरी मुट्ठी में है। मैं करूंगा देवों का अंत। मेरे रक्त की हर बूंद में है एक नए दानव का बीज। मार सके ना कोई मैं रक्त बीज। हे मां पार्वती उपकार करो रक्त बीज का संहार करो। बचा लो हम सभी के प्राण इस सृष्टि का उद्धार करो।
विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
दैवम् अम्मे जगति मूलम् अम्मे आदियु अंतम् अम्मे सृष्टिकी सारं सर्वम् अम्मे నీకు జన్మనిచ్చి అమ్మే నిన్ను ఒడిలో చేర్చి అమ్మే నిన్ను నీలా పెంచి తల్లయ్యక్కై చెల్లై వదిలే
हर्षिणि दुर्धर हर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि विषमोषिणि घोषरते समुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकमर्दिनि शैलसुमर्दिनि शैलसुते
शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
I think your claps justify the performance. I would like to call on the stage group in charge, myself and Neeraj sir, to take a snap. The girl who are the back power of this performance is none other than Titiksha. She put her heart and soul to make this act possible. I am to be a commodity, part creation, part reproduction. I am to be a currency, a price to pride over masculinity. I am to be all I am told to be, but today I am everything I am not supposed to be. I am glitch in societal programming. I am becoming a bug in the system. I am a crack in the matrix wall. I am wrecking wall, smashing door, mashing laws. I am a cracked code. Raising status quo, I go breaking iron bars. I am demanding, intruding, overcoming. I am not easy. I am busy making waves, making way, making space in this place, in this room, in this world. I am empowered to empowered. I am direct impact on society because I am women. With these lines, I want to call on the stage girls who are going to act on the Women Empowerment Act. Please come on the stage and give their sensational performance. Please give them a big round of applause.
मैं शक्ति हूँ और शांत भी, मुझ में शौर्य है और क्षमा भी। मैं शक्ति हूँ और शांत भी, मुझ में शौर्य है और क्षमा भी। है महत्वाकांक्षा तो धैर्य भी। है गुणों का मुझ में खजाना, है गुणों का मुझ में खजाना और अवगुणों की खान भी, और अवगुणों की खान भी। A very delightful evening to one and all present here. It's Akshita, and today the girls of grade 8 are going to perform dance on women empowerment. So please cheer us with your thunder of clap.
Gun, 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 हाथों में पिघलता है लोहा, ना उम्मीद ना कोई लकीर, मेरा सब कुछ मेरा हौसला, हिम्मत है मेरी तकदीर, मुझे कम ना किसी से अब क्यों, मुझे कम ना किसी से अब क्यों, तू न जाने पागलपन। गन 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 गुलाबी, गन 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 गुलाबी।
लेकिन घोर संघर्ष के बाद आखिरकार बराबरी का जमाना तो आ ही रहा है। धीरे धीरे ही सही, लेकिन औरतों को बराबरी के मौके तो मिल ही रहे हैं। लेकिन हर काम औरत के बस का हो ये जरूरी तो नहीं है।
एक वक्त था जब यही कह के समाज औरतों को पढ़ाई के लायक नहीं समझता था। आज भी ज्यादातर लोग यही समझते हैं। और बाय द वे, आप किस बराबरी की बात कर रहे हैं सर? आपको क्या लगता है कि कुछ औरतों ने लिख पढ़ क्या लिया, उनकी और मर्दों की जिंदगी एक बराबर है? क्या जानते क्या है आप एक औरत होने के बारे में? हर कदम पे ऐसे सवाल पड़ते हैं जो एक आदमी कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता। पल्लू ज्यादा नीचे तो नहीं आ गया? लोग कैरेक्टर पे सवाल करेंगे। ज्यादा हंस तो नहीं रही? लोग गलत मतलब निकालेंगे। ऑफिस में काम कम तो नहीं कर रही? लोग औरतों की बस की बात नहीं है ये कह के प्रमोशन रुकवा देंगे। काम से घर जाके सबके लिए खाना बनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि भले घर में काम दोनों करें, खाना तो सिर्फ औरत ही बनाएगी। आदमी रात भर काम करे तो घर वाले कहते हैं हाय कितना काम करना पड़ता है बेचारे को। औरत रात भर काम करे, ऐसा कौन सा काम आ गया जो रात भर करना पड़ता है? इसके अलावा हमें रोज ऐसी चीजों के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक औरत ही समझ सकती है। ब्रा का स्ट्रैप तो नहीं दिख रहा, वो जो तब से घूर रहा है कुछ उल्टा सीधा तो नहीं करेगा? सर, भीड़ में कोई भी मर्द हमें जब चाहे जहां चाहे छू सकता है, क्योंकि जब औरत पब्लिक प्लेस में होती है तो वो पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी बन जाती है। बसेस में औरतों की सीट्स रिजर्व्ड है, इससे मर्दों को तकलीफ है। कहते हैं बराबरी भी चाहिए और रिजर्वेशन भी। अरे जब हर महीने आपके बदन से पानी की तरह खून बहेगा, सर फटेगा और पैर फूल जाएंगे ना, तब हम औरत मर्द की बराबरी की बात करेंगे। इसलिए कृपा करके औरतों को क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं, इस पे अपनी एनर्जी बर्बाद न करके औरतें क्या चाहती है उन्हें वो करने का मौका तो मिलता रहे, इसके बारे में हमें सोचना चाहिए। बराबरी तो बहुत दूर की बात है सर, फिलहाल हिस्सेदारी मिल जाए ना वो ही बहुत है।
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी, छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी। दोपहरी डर डर के नहीं चलूंगी, कैंडल जला के सैंडल दिखा के मर मर के नहीं चलूंगी, कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
Namaste, namaste, namo namah. Namaste, namaste.
What a stage breaking performance. This is called full package performance. I would like to call on the stage group in charge to come on the stage and take a snap. Lucky people get opportunity. Brave people create opportunity, and winner are those who convert problems into opportunity. Now it's time to acknowledge the talent and intelligence of our brimming students. And for that, I request Kushal ma'am to come on the stage and do the prize distribution ceremony.
You all are stars, but you all must learn how to shine. And now it is the time to appreciate the talent of our shining stars. So, to felicitate the prizes, I would request our principal sir and our guest of honor to come on the stage. Continuing our prize distribution. Firstly, academic prizes for students. First award goes to Arav Kaushal, class 2nd, who got A+ grade. Aditi Sharma, class 2nd, got A+ grade. Daksha Mahajan, class 2nd, got A+. Priyal Sharma, class 2nd, got A+. Shraddha from class 2nd, got A+. Now moving to our next class. Priyal Sharma, class 2nd. Shraddha from class 2nd. Ridhima Sharma from class 3rd, got A+. Ridhima Sharma, class 3rd, got A+. Saransh Minhas, class 3rd, got A+. Saransh Minhas, class 3rd. Aditya Sharma, class 4th, got A+. Aditya Sharma, class 4th, got A+. Anvi Chauhan, class 4th. Anvi Chauhan, class 4th, got A+. Ashmit Suri, class 4th, got A+. Ashmit Suri, class 4th, got A+. Kartik Jandrotia, class 4th, got A+. Kartik Jandrotia. Rudresh Thakur, class 4th, got A+. Rudresh Thakur. Kartik Jandrotia. Rudresh Thakur, class 4th, got A+. Adarsh Thakur, class 5th, got A+. Adarsh Thakur, class 5th. Ravjot Singh, class 5th. Ravjot Singh, class 5th, got A+. Now moving to the next class. Ashutosh Sharma, class 6th, got A+. Ashutosh Sharma, class 6th, got A+. Shambhavi Rajput, class 6th, got A+. Shambhavi Rajput, class 6th. Sidiksha, class 6th, got A+. Sidiksha, class 6th, got A+. Varnika Thakur, class 6th, got A+. Sidiksha, class 6th. Varnika. Akshita Atri, class 7th, got A+. Akshita. Rakshita Sharma, class 7th, got A+. Rakshita Sharma, class 7th, got A+. Yashika Minhas, class 7th, got A+. Yashika Minhas, class 7th, got A+. Akshit Sharma, class 9th, got A+. Akshit Sharma, class 9th. Ganga Parihar, class 9th. Ganga Parihar. Akshit Sharma, class 9th, got A+. Ganga Parihar, class 9th, got A+. Prabjot Kaur, class 9th, got A+. Prince Thakur, class 9th, got A+. Prince Thakur. Now the achievers in outdoor activities. Ashirya Prem Bhatt, class 2nd, best in English handwriting, first in poem recitation. Ashirya Prem Bhatt. Ashirya Prem Bhatt, 2nd class, best in English handwriting and first in poem recitation. Vatsal Thakur, class 2nd. Vatsal Thakur, he is having maximum attendance. Vatsal Thakur. Jaireet, class 2nd. Jaireet, class 2nd. Dikshita Atri, class 3rd. Dikshita Atri, class 3rd. Second in spoon race, maximum attendance. Harshal Kumari, class 3rd. Harshal Kumari, class 3rd. First in spoon race. Lucky from class 3rd. Lucky from class 3rd. He has the maximum attendance. Arav Kaushal, class 3rd. Arav Kaushal. Priyal, class 3rd. Yes. Next award, Gauri from class 4th. Gauri from class 4th, best in English handwriting. Ishika from class 4th, participate in under 11 chess competition. Ridhima Sharma from class 4th, second in poem recitation. Ridhima Sharma from class 4th. Yashika Mahajan from class 4th, best in Hindi handwriting and she has the maximum attendance. Rivansh Sharma from class 5th. Rivansh from class 5th, first in poem recitation. Sonakshi from class 5th, best in English handwriting. Yuvam from class 5th. Yuvam from class 5th. Bhavishya Vaid from class 6th, first in poem recitation. Kanika from class 6th. Kanika from class 6, best in English handwriting and she has maximum attendance. Sargun Kashyap from class 6th. Sargun Kashyap from class 6th. She has participated in chess, under 11 chess dance competition. Tanvi Thakur from class 6th. Tanvi Thakur from class 6th. She has also participated in under 11 chess competition and second in poem recitation. Aditi Varanwal. Aditi Varanwal from class 7th. Participation in under 11 chess competition. Aksha from class 7th. Aksha from class 7th. Anuj Kapoor from class 7th. Anuj Kapoor from class 7th, maximum attendance in class. Divyanshi Devi from class 7th. Divyanshi Devi from class 7th. Participation in under 11 chess competition. Guntaj from class 7th. Guntaj from class 7th. English, best handwriting. Purvi from class 7th. Best in Hindi handwriting. Purvi from class 7th. Sanya from class 7th. Ananya from class 7th. Shambhavi Rajput from class 7th, participation in under 11 chess competition. Sidiksha from class 7th. Sidiksha from class 7th. Varnika Thakur from class 7th. These girls has participated in dance competition in under 11 chess competition. Akshita Atri, class 8th, participation in under 11 chess competition. Chitrakshi Sen from class 8th. Chitrakshi Sen from class 8th. She has participated in rifle shooting under 14. Hana from class 8th. Hana from class 8th, best in English handwriting competition. Puneet Kumar from class 8th,
ये है इंडिया का नंबर 1 स्टॉक
maximum attendance.
मिलेगा
Rakshita Sharma from class 8th.
इन्वेस्टर्स का भरोसा
She also has participated in under 11 chess competition.
सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क
Yashika Minhas from class 8th, best in Hindi handwriting, participation in under 11 chess competition and second in poem recitation. Big round of applause for her. Divyanshi, please सभी के लिए तालियां बजाइए. Divyanshi from class 9th, best in Hindi handwriting competition. Divyanshi. Gunjan from class 9th. Gunjan from class 9th. She has the maximum attendance in class. Jigyasa Kukreja from class 9th, participation in under 11 chess competition. Jigyasa Kukreja. Ridhima Thakur, class 9th. Ridhima Thakur from class 9th, participation in under 11 chess competition. Titiksha from class 9th. Titiksha from class 9th. Ganga from class 10th, best in English handwriting and she has the maximum attendance. Bhaprita Soni from class 11th, best in English handwriting. Alisha Dalmotra from class 11th, medical. Alisha Dalmotra, second in poem recitation. Manat Mahajan from class 11th, medical. She has the maximum attendance. Manat Mahajan. Priyanshi Joshi from class 11th, non-medical. First in poem recitation and she is the state champion of Thang Ta. She is a national player. So big round of applause for her, Priyanshi Joshi. Now moving to the prides of Rising Stars. Adhira Mahajan, class 2nd. Adhira Mahajan. Deven Sharma from class 2nd. Deven Sharma from class 2nd. Pranika Thakur from class 2nd. Pranika Thakur from class 2nd. Sayam Sharma from class 2nd. I am repeating the names. Deven Sharma from class 2nd. Pranika from class 2nd. Sayam from class 2nd. Manan Kumar from class 3rd. Manan Kumar from class 3rd. Aruhi Sharma from class 4th. Aruhi from class 4th. Jignesh Kalia from class 4th. Jignesh Kalia from class 4th. Mridul from class 5th. Mridul from class 5th. Naisha from class 5th. Naisha from class 5th. Naira from class 5th. Riddhi Thakur from class 5th. Riddhi Thakur from class 5th. Shivansh Singh from class 5th. Shivansh Singh from class 5th. Alisha Kaur from class 6th. Alisha Kaur from class 6th. Anvi Kapoor from class 6th. Red Sirat Kaur from class 6th. Anvi Kapoor. Red Sirat. Rudransh Puri from class 6th. Rudransh Puri from class 6th. Shivansh from class 6th. Sarthak from class 7th. Sarthak from class 7th. Shanaya Sharma from class 7th. Atharv Thakur from class 8th. Atharv Thakur from class 8th. Yuvika Sharma from class 8th. Yuvika Sharma from class 8th. Naman Thakur from class 10th. Samar Thakur from class 10th. Samar Thakur. Anshika Varnwal from class 2nd. Anshika Varnwal from class 2nd. Vivan Kukreja from class 4th. Arshita Chaudhary from class 5th. Anshika Varnwal from class 2nd. Arshita Chaudhary from class 5th. Ashna from class 5th. Ashna from class 5th. Abida from class 6th. Abida from class 6th. Divyanshu Kapoor from class 6th. Divyanshu Kapoor from class 6th. Divyanshu Thakur. Divyansh Thakur from class 6th. Hardik Nath from class 6th. Hardik Nath from class 6th. Vansh Pandit from class 6th. Arnav Mahajan from class 7th. Arnav Mahajan from class 7th. Erika from class 7th. Erika from class 7th. Parikshit from class 7th. Parikshit. Nishchay from class 8th. Nishchay from class 8th. Yugantar Nath from class 8th. Yugantar from class 8th. Ananya Varanwal from class 9th. Ananya from class 9th. Aryan from class 9th. Aryan from class 9th. Ayansh from class 9th. Ayansh from class 9th. Kanishk Gautam from class 9th. Kanishk Gautam from class 9th. Mohammad Anjum from class 9th. Mohammad Anjum from class 9th. Rishabh Kapoor from class 9th. Rishabh Kapoor from class 9th. Vinayak Ghai from class 10th. Vinayak Ghai from class 10th. Bhavishya. Bhumik from class 11th. Bhumik from class 11th. Mayank Bharti from class 11th. Mayank Bharti from class 11th. Naitik Kalia from class 11th. Naitik Kalia from class 11th. Nisha Kumari from class 11th. Nisha Kumari from class 11th. Kartik Thakur from class 11th. Kartik Thakur from class 11th. Shugal Nagpal from class 11th. Shugal Nagpal from class 11th. Omkar Badayal from class 11th. Omkar from class 11th. Suhani Thakur from class 11th. Suhani Thakur from class 11th. Charul from class 11th. Jivesh Chawla from class 11th. Jivesh Chawla from class 11th. Prajakta from class 11th. Prajakta from class 11th. Sahil Bhardwaj from class 11th. Sahil Bhardwaj from class 11th. Surbhi from class 11th.